I get asked this question quite often, and it's what's the best free DAW for guitarists? And I want to answer with whatever one works best for you, but I think the real question they're trying to ask is what's the best free DAW for somebody who's just getting started in home recording? So in this video, I'm going to look at some of the best ones that will help you to start rocking and recording. And first up on the list is Cakewalk by BandLab. Not only is it one of the best free DAWs for guitarists, it's actually one of the best free digital audio workstations, period. So what makes this great for guitarists? Well, it comes with an incredible guitar amp sim called TH3 from the company Overloud. And this is a special Cakewalk version that only works within the Cakewalk DAW. You get several amps, effects, and cabinets that you can choose from, lots of presets to help you get started, and it really sounds great. And not only do you get that guitar amp sim, but you also get some other instruments to help you quickly create backing tracks like drums, bass, e-piano, and strings. There's also a ton of effects included so you can record and mix your arrangements without needing to install anything else. But of course, you can install other plugins, including other guitar amp sims and instruments. There are no limitations with Cakewalk by BandLab. Next up is one that I find that's pretty easy to get started for beginners. This is Magix Music Maker Free. And this one includes a great guitar amp sim called Vandal SE, which is a slimmed down version of their bigger Vandal amp sim. You still get some great sounds from this one, and the Magix Music Maker program makes it pretty easy to get started with recording. You also get some other instruments included in there, plus what they call a sound pool, which is kind of like a loop pack with audio loops of drums, bass, and other instruments. However, if you plan on releasing your music, you might want to avoid using the sounds included with the sound pool, as you can't monetize your music unless you purchase a commercial license for it. But you can use the amp sim and the virtual instruments and all of the other stuff included without any issues. It's only the sound pool that has that issue. In Magix Music Maker Free, you do have some limitations, like a limited track count at 8 tracks, which is still plenty, and you can't bring in other plugins. So if you were to buy or find another guitar amp sim, you wouldn't be able to use it in this program unless you were to upgrade and unlock that feature. It's actually not very expensive if you were to do that, as they always seem to have big sales on. And of course, the upgraded version comes with more instruments and no track limitations. The next free DAW that we'll look at is Studio One Prime from Presonus. Studio One Prime is the free version of their flagship Studio One DAW. It does come with a fairly basic but great sounding amp sim called Ampire. Plus you get some excellent effects with it as well, and the powerful Presence XT virtual instrument. The workflow of Studio One Prime is very quick. You're not jumping between different views and screens to find things, and I really like the streamlined layout as it makes recording and editing quick and easy, not only for guitar, but also for programming and recording MIDI as well. You can have unlimited tracks in Studio One Prime, but you can't bring in any other plugins unless you upgrade. So if you have more amp sims or maybe some drum instrument plugins or other plugins that you want to use, you'll need to upgrade, which actually isn't that expensive if you go to the artist version, and that's really all you need. Plus, upgrading also gets you even more instruments and effects, so it may be something you want to look into because this is an excellent modern DAW. Now this next one is more for somebody who's recording their guitar sound directly in, meaning you've mic'd up your guitar amp, or maybe you're using some sort of guitar amp sim pedal and you're recording that sound in and you're not really wanting to use amp sims. This one is Audacity. It's a very popular digital audio workstation and extremely easy to start recording with. You can use plugins with Audacity, but it's not as intuitive as other programs. However, if you already have your sound set up outside of the computer and you want to capture that digitally, Audacity will allow you to do that with a simple click. There are no MIDI capabilities in Audacity, so if you want to build a backing track, you're going to need to use audio samples or loops. But as a pure sound capture program with some decent editing capabilities, Audacity can deliver. Now check out a ton of free guitar amp sims by clicking the video on the screen, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.